Chantel here, and I'm here to tell you about mango elixirs. Now, mango elixirs are actually an ancient technique where, as a herbalist, I know about compounding nutrients so that you can get at a specific goal. So I make drinks, and these are like liquid meals, but these are really good at putting together certain herbs, fruits, and uh, fats, superfoods, but you're putting them together in a way that you're accomplishing a goal. So mangoes are really good for balancing your blood sugars, for helping your gut health, and to really open up your respiratory system. So once you get into knowing what mango leaves are good for, then you can add on that and compound the nutrient value. So now you're making a food medicine, and it's called an elixir. And at the end of the day, mango season is in, and you want to use it in every way possible.